Are you wondering which media player is better for your needs? Today, we're diving into VLC and IINA to help you decide. Both VLC and IINA are popular media players. They can play a wide range of video and audio formats. Users love them for their flexibility and features. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with VLC. This player is known for its versatility. It supports almost every media format out there. VLC is open source, which means it's free to use. You can customize it with many add ons. It has a simple interface, making it easy for anyone to navigate. Plus, it works on different platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, let's talk about IINA. This player is designed specifically for Mac users. It has a modern look and feels very smooth. IINA is also open source, but it focuses on Mac features. It supports many formats too, but its design is what sets it apart. You'll find it integrates nicely with macOS, including features like touch bar support. So, what are the key differences? VLC is more universal, while IINA is tailored for Mac. If you want a player that works on different systems, VLC is the way to go. But if you are a Mac user looking for a sleek design, IINA might be your best choice. When it comes to features, both players offer great options. VLC has a wide range of tools for video editing and streaming. IINA shines with its beautiful interface and easy navigation. Both are powerful, but your choice depends on your style. As for pricing, both players are free. You won't have to spend a dime on either. In the end, if you need a versatile player that works everywhere, choose VLC. If you want a stylish player for your Mac, go with IINA. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more comparisons.